Ang susunod nating tagapagsalita ay isang huwarang leader na nagsusulong ng partisipasyon, responsibilidad at malasakit sa kapwa. Siya ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa kanyang mga kamag-aral upang maging aktibong kabahagi sa mga programa at adhikain ng paaralan. Atin pong pakinggan ang mensahe mula sa SELG President Uriah B. Del Monte.
Good morning to our Barangay Captain, Honorable Luvi P. Constantino, together with all Barangay Kagawad. To our dearest Principal, Mrs. Alma O. Between, hardworking teachers, supporting parents, partners from the community, and my fellow learners. I am Uriah B. Del Monte, your SELG President. Today, we officially start our Brigada Eskwela 2026 with the theme, Bayanihan sa Paaralan, Nagkakaisa para sa Kayusan at Kaalaman. Brigada Eskwela is not just about cleaning, painting, or repairing. For us students, this is the true meaning of bayanihan. Helping each other freely, walang hinihintay na kapalit. Our school is our second home, right? So just like our own house, we need to take care of it, keep it clean, make it safe, and comfortable for everyone. As a SELG president, I believe that a good learning environment is very important. Kapag malinis ang classroom, maayos ang upuan, at maganda ang paligid, mas madali tayong makakapag-focus sa lessons. Mas masaya ang pag-aaral, and we feel proud to be part of this school. That's why we are all here today. Teachers, parents, volunteers, and students. We are one team. Kahit maliit lang ang tulong, malaki na ang magiging epekto niyan kapag pinagsama-sama. Whether you are sweeping the hallways, painting the walls, arranging books, fixing broken chairs, lahat yan ay malaking bagay para sa amin na mag-aaral dito. To all our volunteers and supporters, maraming salamat po. Thank you in advance for giving your time, effort, and even materials just to prepare our school. Your kindness shows that education is everyone's responsibility. To my fellow learners, let us also do our own part. Bilang mga estudyante, bilang mga leader, we should lead by example. Huwag tayong mahihiyang tumulong. Remember, leaders serve first. Kapag tumutulong tayo, hindi lang tayo nagpapaganda ng school. We are also building good values like responsibility, respect, and love for our community. This week, let's all work together with happy hearts. Every corner we clean, every wall we paint, every space we improve. It is all for our own good and for our future. Rest assured po that SELG will always be here, ready to help, ready to serve, and ready to lead. Once again, thank you everyone. Let's all enjoy together. Long live Brigada Eskwela!